I'm Ellen DeLapp, certified professional organizer and owner of professionalorganizer.com. I'm wanting to share with you some ADHD friendly tips for family meetings. Family meetings are those times that you gather, hopefully once a week or close to that, where you share calendar information, talk about things that are coming up soon, and talk about family responsibilities and have fun together. I wanted to share with you some tips that will help you make the meeting most productive and also run smoothly. You want to prioritize your agenda. Keep your agenda short with the most important things that you're going to be talking about. That has to do with dates and deadlines. So be sure that you and everyone bring their calendar. That could be either a digital calendar or a paper calendar. You can even assign a scribe to the family calendar, and that family calendar can hang near the refrigerator or be posted in a frequently seen spot. You want to keep your meetings short because, as you know, people have short attention spans, and keep it moving. You want to rotate responsibilities. The parents don't have to always be the ones responsible for starting and hosting the meeting. Your kids will love the opportunity to be in charge of the meeting. Most importantly, you want to make it fun. So move through your agenda and end with something fun like a walk, a ball game, a family game, an ice cream social, whatever will make it fun for your family. And most importantly, you want to schedule it regularly. That means as best you can, close to every week, even though that might not be the way that you can always accomplish it. So try out these ADHD friendly tips for family meetings and see if your meetings go much smoother and happen more consistently.